everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change permanently the default file opener or viewer in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So let me show you. So I have a one picture file, right? So when I double left click it, and it will get opened by some respective application. So by default this picture file is being opened by Photos applications. So what about if you want to change this default file opener? So for this, what you need to do, there's two steps. So for the first step, you can just right click on the selected file and you can go to properties, and you can see here opens with photos. Just click on change, and now here you will get a tons of applications which support such kind of files. So you can change it to Paint or Paint 3D, Snap, and Sketch. If you have some more files, then you can just click on more association files, so you can see some more association. And even if you have not found your respective or favorite applications that you want to link with this photos file, then you can just click on look for other app on this PC. That will take you to the respective folders, and you can select the respective applications, and after selecting, click on OK or open. So just clicking on change, and you can select on any application. Say just for a reference, I'm selecting Paint and click on OK. Now this picture file or any kind of picture file with the extension .png will get opened by the Paint application. So after that, just click on apply, click on OK. Now let's try to open this file again. Just double left click it to open the file. So now you can see the default file opener has been changed to Paint. Before it was Photos applications, now it's being opened with the Paint application. So this is the first step, and the second step, just right click again, and now you can see open with. After that, you will see a tons of applications, right? But it will not set it to default file opener. But you can see here below on the last option, choose another app. Just click on it. Now once again, like before, you can select any other applications to change the default file opener. Right now you can see on the top list, it's the default file opener for such kind of respective files. So below you can see a tons of supported applications, and even you can see more applications if you want to add your respective favorite file opener. So here, just let me select a Photos application again, and just click on here. You can see below, after selecting it, you can see in below, always use this app to open the PNG file. So just tick mark this and click on OK. Now it will be opened with the Photos application. Now you can see the respective file is being opened with Photos application again. So let's try to open again by just double left clicking it. Now you can see it's being opened with the Photos application. So in this way you can change permanently the default file opener or viewer in Windows computer. So if you never known how to change permanently the default file viewer or opener in Windows computer, then you should definitely try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.